Namaste. My name is Yug Prajapati. Today I am going to do a science experiment, that is a light passing through the straight line. So we have to take these clips, a candle, a thread, a matchstick and 3 old CDs. So first we have to stand this CD like this way, and we have to stand these 2 CDs also. And we have to make sure that the CDs are aligned. So we will put the thread in the middle. Then we will put these CDs. So you can see that these CDs are aligned, and we will put this candle at this thread and burn it. So you can see that the light is passing through the straight line. Then we will remove this middle CD. So you can see that this middle CD is blocking the light, so the light is not passing through the straight line. The main principle of this experiment is the light passing through the straight line. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Tisha Shah from 6 Beta Himalaya House. Today I have made a candy when things needed are a box of cardboard, small pieces of cardboard, hot glue gun and 2 different types of chocolates. So now I will show you how it works. This is a push button. You have to push it so a candy will fall down. As you can see, a candy fell down. Another candy fell down. So this is how a candy vendor works. Now I will tell you about the mechanism of this. This is a class 1 lever. This is the effort. Inside is the fulcrum and the chocolates are the load. So when I put an effort on this push button, the fulcrum helps in pushing the chocolate down, which is the load. I have used a string, rubber string as the fulcrum, cardboard circles as the effort and chocolates as the load. Thank you.
Good morning, Namaste. My name is Vanika Shuk from 6th Alpha Nilgiri House. My experiment for Science Day is the change in the color of copper sulfate. The materials required for this experiment is a dropper, an iron nail, copper sulfate and some test tubes. Iron is more reactive than copper. When iron is added to the aqueous solution of a copper salt, iron displaces copper. So first we have to take a test tube, then we have to add 10 ml of copper sulfate which I have added already, and then we have to take an iron nail and we have to put the iron nail in the solution of copper sulfate which I have already done, and then we have to wait for a few minutes, and after a few minutes we can see the change in the color of copper sulfate. First the copper sulfate was fully sky blue, but after some minutes now it is light green, a little bit of green, and when we will remove the solution and take out the take out the iron nail, we can see that the iron nail has changed its color. Now the iron nail is reddish brown in color, which means that iron has displaced copper. So that's it for my today's experiment. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Good morning, namaste. My name is Janandan and today I'm going to present you all about a water dispenser. So what you need is an empty glass, a bottle filled with water and empty water. So in the water, I've just put it a hole and glued with the hot glue gun so that the water will not release inside. So what you do is, open the lid, pour the water and make sure that you cover the straw so that the water does not release outside, and make sure you fill the water beyond the hole. So here I have filled the water beyond the hole and close the lid tightly so the water does not release outside. So you may say that the water does not release outside because the inside I cannot release outside, but the water stops flowing. But when I open the lid, the water starts flowing. Why? Because the air outside can release inside the water. So the water starts flowing. And when I close, it stops. Thank you.
I am Avni and Ryan from 6th Gamma. My experiment is making magnet by magnetic induction method. So for that I have taken a piece of magnet, iron screw and iron nail. So first I am trying to attract the iron nail by the iron screw. It does not attract by the iron screw. It means iron screw does not have any type of magnetic force. Now I am trying to attract the iron screw by the magnet. It is attracted by the magnet. It means that magnet has magnetic force. Now I am again trying to cling the iron nail by the iron screw. It is attracted or clinged. It means that the magnetic force is developed inside the iron screw due to the magnetic induction method. Now I am removing the magnet. So for few seconds the iron screw behave like a magnet. It is due to the development of magnetic force inside the iron screw. It due to the magnetic induction method. After few seconds, automatically the iron nail will fall down as it becomes a temporary magnet for short period of time. It due to automatically remove the magnetic force which is inside the iron screw. With this experiment, we conclude that magnet has south and north pole, and if the pole from which we are attracting the iron screw, it becomes south pole, and the head of the screw behaves as the north pole and the tip as south pole, and the same with the iron nail. It is only due to the magnetic induction method. Thank you.